What up, superstars? It's your girl, Miss Bollywood, and sitting right next to me is
Jenny from the block.
I honestly think you don't even need an introduction anymore.
You know who I am.
Everybody knows who you are. So today's video is super awesome, and I'm very excited, and you've probably seen some of them on YouTube already. It's like kind of like a game. It comes with a spinner. It's called Boozled. And basically, if you're familiar with the Jelly Bellies, if you've ever had them, they had some really wicked flavors. Like they have coconut and like smoothie. They're taking the same jelly beans and they have like two different options, right? So one is a tasty one and one is like very disgusting and gross.
And they both look the same and you never know which one you're gonna get.
And if you are wondering where you can pick one of these up, I got mine from Walmart. But I mean, you can probably get it at any retailer, like candy store, right? Okay. Are you ready? Okay, so let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first, okay? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, I guess I get to go first. Okay, I'm gonna spin this little wheelie and see where it lands. That's what the wheel looks like. You got caramel, corn, or moldy cheese.
Coconut or spoiled milk.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Peach or barf.
Lime or lawn clippings. Like, what does that even taste
What's
like?
that? Berry blue or toothpaste.
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. That is like so wrong.
Juicy pear or booger.
How do they even get a booger flavor?
Oh, they have to taste some clearly.
Buttered popcorn, rotten egg.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Alright, so those are the options. Ready?
No, no.
This is rotten egg.
Is it like, does it actually taste like a rotten egg?
Yes! And I don't even know how a rotten egg tastes. Oh my god.
It's spoiled milk. I know all too well what that tastes like.
I'm so scared to do this. Okay, next
Oh my
one.
God, this is...
Berry blue or toothpaste? Yep, this is toothpaste.
It shouldn't taste too bad though.
No,
Yeah.
that's good.
Oh my god, I still have the taste of milk in my mouth. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? Does not taste like buttered popcorn. I just had spoiled milk and rotten eggs in my mouth, one after the other.
Lime or lawn clippings? Okay, this should be interesting.
Tastes like lime, does it?
No, but I just had toothpaste, so maybe the flavor.
Maybe we should drink some water.
Lawn clippings.
No.
Let's do this. What you just did. What's up? It's spoiled milk. 2 for 2. I think the ratio in this is more bad ones than good, right?
I think this may be one good one out of the whole batch.
What the F?
Coconut? Are you kidding me?
Okay, 4 for 4.
No. Oh, I'm getting coconut this time, not spoiled milk.
I can't even keep a secret.
My god! What the heck?
How do you extract a dead fish flavor?
I really want to know how to make this.
They all smell the same. Strawberry banana! Yeah!
Oh yeah, that's what it tastes like. Oh yeah.
Of course dogs would like it. They drink out of the toilet anyways.
Can you see what that landed on? I just dropped all the jelly beans.
It's all under your butt. Like you just like gave birth to jelly beans. She drops popcorn when we're shooting a video. She drops water. This girl's a hazard.
Please, please, please. Oh my god!
This tastes like barf.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? I know what Stinky Socks smell like. I don't want to taste it. I can't tell if that's fruity or if that's Stinky Socks.
Really?
Yeah.
They stink from here. Can you not smell them?
Yeah. Oh, my mouth tastes bad. I can't. If this is moldy cheese, I'm done. I'm done. Okay.
Oh god.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. I got the caramel corn. Why are you taking so long?
Was it like obvious?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's moldy cheese. That's moldy cheese. Cheers. Cheers.
I got lime. Why are you like hesitating? Can you not taste the flavor?
I don't know anymore. Is it like minty?
No, it tastes like lime, sour.
So what did lawn clippings taste like?
It tastes like, you know, like pine cones?
That's what I have.
Okay.
How did I get like 7 or 8 bad ones in a row?
I got like 3 good ones.
Luck is not on my side. But I think I've become accustomed to the nasty taste, so the nasty taste tastes good to me now.
That just sounds really
That's so sad. There's a lot of white ones.
Juicy. Juicy.
No, you see, I've never
pear.
had that. I never like put it in my mouth and be like, oh, this is the good one. No, they were all bad. I haven't gotten one single good one. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed my misery. I'm going to go rinse my mouth with mouthwash, brush my teeth with more toothpaste. I'm done.
This has been such a fun game. I still have dog food in my mouth. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on our jelly bean
Boozled challenge. I think it's very fun. I think it's very clever. Even though I got like 15 bad ones in a row and not one single good one, I still give it a 10 out of 10.
I'm going to give it an 8.5. Still an A
Yeah.
in the Canadian
Grading system.
Yes, it needs to be a little bit more interesting. There should be more stakes on this, although we can deviate from the actual game and make your own. The reactions are great. You know, it's cringeworthy. Imagine if you're drinking alcohol and playing this game. Now that would be something. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. You know, for the sake of Jennifer, make her a little bit happy. And we'll see you in our next video. Much love from me to you. Mwah. Miss Bollywood, out.
Jenny from the block, out.
What up, superstars? If you were totally feeling this video, go check out my last one. The link is up there somewhere. Also, go creep my second channel. That's right, you heard it. I make daily vlogs on Miss Bollywood Vlogs, so you can watch what's poppin', guanin' with me all day, every day, and the link is down below. Also, be sure to turn on the bell for ASAP's notification every time I upload and release a new video to YouTube. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of breath. But before I go, homies, give me some dabs. Boom! And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!